Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to crochet face mask ear saver. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press a bell icon for latest uploaded videos notification. So let's start crocheting, starting with a slip knot. Then chain 35, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, and 35. Total 35 chains. Then skip the first chain and work from the second chain. Work one single crochet in each 34 chain. Complete the first row. After first row with one single crochet in each chain, then row second, chain 1, turn the work and work one single crochet in each stitch. Complete the second row and third row with the same one single crochet in each stitch. Complete the third row also. Then after third row, 1, 2, 3, in fourth row, chain 1, turn the work and work one single crochet in 10 stitches. First 10 stitches. This is third, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and one more 10. Then we will crochet chain 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. We will also skip the 14 stitches 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14 and work in the 15th stitch one single crochet. Means total on both opposite side we will work 10 10 single crochet. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and last 10. This is our fourth row. Then in fifth row, chain 1, turn the work and work one single crochet in each stitch. Then also work one single crochet in each 14 chains. Complete the row. Throughout the row, 1 single crochet. Then 6th row, chain 1, turn the work and work 1 single crochet in each stitch. After 6th row, 7th row, chain 1, turn the work and work 1 single crochet in each stitch. Complete the 7th row. At last, chain 1, cut the yarn. Cover the ends yarn with the help of needle. Now we will attach the button on both sides. And if you want to crochet the smaller size, you can make less chains at the starting, or you can attach the button closer to the hole. Complete the both buttons properly, and toward the back side make a 2 knot and cut the yarn and complete the ear saver of face mask. And if you really enjoy my video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like the video, share the video. Bye bye.